In this video, I want to show you how you can make Valentine's Day designs with text using the AI website Ideogram. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you how to make those Valentine's Day designs using the AI website, I just want to do a quick sales update. So yesterday I did 22 sales. I had 22 sales and I did $43 in royalties. Things have kind of gone down a little bit from the beginning of the month, but hopefully things will pick back up. But that is going to put me at $553 for the month. So far, I'm very happy with how January is going. Usually January is pretty slow. So for me, this is great to see. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales on merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post gym pics. I was able to get back into the gym, which is good, important for me to be in that routine. I also post like entrepreneur pics and like my lifestyle pics, my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. So if you want to follow me, link is in the description. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you how I make Valentine's Day designs with text using the AI website right here called Ideogram. Now, you might have heard of this website before, but the first thing that I like to do is just kind of come up with an idea. So I like to use Flying Research for that. If you want to sign up for Flying Research, there's a link in the description. But what you can do, or what I like to do, is just come here to Seller Trends, and I'll just type in like Valentine's Day or Valentine's. Usually one word works better with Flying Research, and just scroll through here to see if I can kind of get some ideas. And so right away I see this dinosaur. This kind of looks like it's done with AI. And then I scroll down here and I see two more dinosaurs. So I kind of want to make something like this right here with a cute cartoon dinosaur holding a heart. But instead of saying Mr. Steal Your Heart, I want to say something like I Steal Hearts, which is a pretty popular phrase on a lot of t-shirts. I don't know if it's trademarked or not, but I think it should be okay. Basically, I'm more just trying to show you like the process of how to make these AI designs with text. Because a lot of the AI websites, you know, you can just do the design, but not with text. So that's the cool part. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website right here called Ideogram and sign up. It's very easy. You can just sign up with your Google account, or at least that's what I did. And then you just want to type in a prompt. So let's go with cute cartoon Valentine's Day T-Rex dinosaur. Did I spell that right? Dinosaur. Maybe it's A-U-R, dinosaur. There we go. With text saying, and you want to put in quotation marks here. So where is it? That one right there. I steal hearts. And then you want to, or what I like to do is I like to click some of these filters down here, or these tags saying typography, poster, and then even illustration. And then I'll go over here to where it says 1 by 1, nice square. I think that's the best for merch. Click on that, and then we're going to click on generate, and let's see what it comes up with. Hopefully it'll spell the text right, because sometimes it doesn't, so fingers crossed here. Alright, so here we go. We got some designs, and actually this one actually spelled it right. And I think these are actually pretty good. I mean, these look like they could be used as t-shirt designs. The only problem is that these ones are spelled wrong. So let's go with this one. This one actually looks pretty good. This is pretty much exactly what I was looking for. Is it spelled right? I steal hearts. Yep, looks correct. So what I like to do here is just click on it, and then I will do some other variations. So I like to come up here to where it says remix, and then I will just click generate to see if I can get maybe something better. But for the most part, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Let's see what it comes up with. So do we get anything better? This one kind of mean, don't want that. This one's kind of weird with the E like that. Shouldn't be like that. But I think this one's pretty good. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Comment below. What do you guys think about the quality of the designs? I think they're pretty good. This one's actually pretty good too. I steal hearts. I like the cuteness. This one's kind of weird because it's missing a finger. So it's not always perfect. This one's kind of missing a finger too, but it still looks normal. So let's go with this one right here. And then once you find one that you like, then you just basically just have to save it to your computer. So I'm just going to go right click and go save image, and let's call it T-Rex heart. Save that in my downloads. And then once you have it, what you can do, or what I like to do, is basically get rid of the background. So I like to go to this website right here. There's a whole bunch of them, but the one that I use is called remove.bg. And then you just click on upload image. And we're going to go to downloads, click on the file. And what we're going to see is going to happen here. It's going to do its magic. It's going to basically just get rid of the background. Okay, so that looks good. Then we're going to click download. Then once we've downloaded, what we want to do is we want to upscale the image. We want to make it looking as crisp and sharp as possible. So I like to use this website right here called vectorize.ai, and all you have to do is just drag and drop. Let me just get this out the way. The file that we just removed the background from. So let's go back here. T-Rex, this one. We're going to drag and drop it over to the vectorizer AI, and here we're going to see that's doing its thing, and we can tell the difference. Like if we scroll in, you see the difference here, how it's not pixelated. So this is what we want right here, nice and clean. And so let's go ahead, whoops, and download that. So let's just see if it's downloaded. Oh no, yeah, no, we have to do some things here. So I like to download an PNG file. You can do it as an SVG if you're putting it into Illustrator and you want to mess around with the different layers. But right here, I like to have it as stacked shapes on top of each other, and then have everything clicked off here in the gap filler. And I'll just go ahead and click download. Now we have it downloaded into our Finder. So there it is right there. And then what you can also do, you can just bring it over to Photoshop. So this is my thumbnail from yesterday. So let me just open up a new what's it called, Canva, and let's find the merch by Amazon. So 4500 by 4500, hit create. Let's try that again, hit create. Okay, oh, there it goes. And then once we have it open, what we can do is we can drag that file over to Photoshop or whatever software you like to use. And if you want to make like changes, well, first thing I want to do is I want to make it big, because I always try and make the design to take up as much of the canvas space as possible. That's going to help it stand out more in search when people are searching for it on merch by Amazon. So let's go as big as possible. And then what I like to do is I just like to mess around a little bit with the colors. So like, for example, I don't know, maybe let's go with like, let me just move this out the way so we can actually design here. And then I will mess around with the colors. So let's go to the paint bucket and let's click on some of this stuff right here. So I would probably just like change some of the colors to like this, boom. Make it kind of look more like Valentine's Day with white and red. That's basically what I'm trying to do here. I notice they like to use this brownish color a lot with a lot of their designs. Now, you don't just have to do a dinosaur, you know, you can go back to Flying Research and get some other ideas. Maybe this. Maybe that should be red. I'm not sure. Let's go with like, let's switch it to red here. Make sure we get the same red as this so it's matching. Let's go like this. Make that one red. Red like that. Maybe it look better like that. You see, basically, you see I'm just like messing around with the design, trying to get the best color scheme. This should probably maybe go back to white. But here you can see, I don't know, what do you guys think? I think that's a pretty good design. I Steal Hearts, maybe it look better if it were red, the color here. But then what you would do is just click off the background, and then you would just save it. So let's go with like Dino Heart design, Dino Heart. Save it to Documents, hit Save, and then you would just come over here to Merch by Amazon. Where to go? Click on Create, and then you just basically just upload it. And that is the process, and that is how you can get design. It's free. You know, I don't have to, you know, pay a designer. This website right here is free. Let's see if we can see some of the other ones. I was messing around with this last night. I came up with a few, like love stinks. But basically, you just come in here to Fly and Research. You kind of get some ideas. I chose Valentine's Day because that's the next big upcoming holiday. But maybe you could do something like with an octopus holding a bunch of heart balloons. This looks like some kind of heart unicorn. And you can add text. That's the cool part about this website. A lot of them, like I was saying, don't really add text, or when they do, they don't do a good job. And on our first go, it spelled the text correctly, which was good to see. The more words you use, the harder it's going to be, or the less accurate it's going to be. So I'd probably try and focus on designs that have low amount of words. Probably like 2 or 3 would probably be the best. But maybe you could do, let's see if we can find another one that would make sense. Okay, so something kind of like this looks like it's AI right here. But yeah, so I just want to share with you that process. That is going to be basically the video for today. Hope you like it. If you have any questions about this process, just put them in the comments. I think it's pretty cool. I want to maybe start putting out some more AI content because I know people like that. But that is going to be the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I got a couple courses in my description. One is for Merch by Amazon, one's for Redbubble. They're good for beginners or for people who are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I will teach you how I get daily sales like this on Merch by Amazon. And then if you like the content, just make sure to subscribe. Okay, that's going to be it for the video today. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.